Have you ever wondered if something you say or do could be quietly chipping away at your child's confidence? Maybe it's a casual comment, an instinct to step in too soon, or even the way you respond to their mistakes. Confidence is the foundation of a child's emotional and social growth, yet sometimes our everyday actions, though well-intentioned, can unintentionally harm it. Today, let's explore 6 common behaviors that might be affecting your child's confidence and how to avoid them. The invisible scar of constant criticism. Imagine this: your child eagerly shows you a picture they've drawn, but instead of appreciating their effort, you point out that the colors are outside the lines. While correcting mistakes is essential, constant criticism, even in small doses, can leave lasting emotional scars. Tip: focus on constructive feedback. For example, instead of saying, "You're always making a mess," try, "Let's figure out how to keep this tidy next time." Comparing them to others. Picture this scenario: your child struggles with math, and you say, "Why can't you be more like your cousin who excels in it?" Comparisons like this not only make children feel inadequate but can also create resentment toward the person they're compared to. Tip: celebrate your child's unique strengths. Replace comparisons with personalized praise, such as, "I love how creative your ideas are." Overprotection. Have you ever stopped your child from pouring their own drink because you were afraid they might spill it? While it's natural to want to shield them from frustration or disappointment, overprotection can hinder their ability to tackle challenges. Children who aren't allowed to make mistakes may grow up doubting their capabilities. Tip: allow them to solve small problems independently. Start with manageable tasks like packing their school bag or resolving minor conflicts with friends. Ignoring their achievements. Think about a time when your child worked hard on a school project, but you were too busy to notice or acknowledge it. When a child's efforts or successes are overlooked, they can feel undervalued. Over time, this may cause them to stop trying because they believe their efforts don't matter. Tip: celebrate milestones, even minor ones. A simple, "I'm proud of you for trying," can go a long way in building their confidence. Labeling them with negative tags. Have you ever called your child lazy, shy, or clumsy in frustration? These labels might seem harmless in the moment, but they can shape a child's self-perception. Over time, children may internalize these words and believe they define who they are. Tip: focus on behaviors, not traits. Instead of saying, "You're so lazy," try, "Let's work on being more proactive with your tasks." Micromanaging every move. Do you find yourself hovering over your child, correcting how they hold their pencil or making every decision for them? Micromanaging sends the message that you don't trust their abilities. This constant oversight can stifle their decision-making skills and make them doubt their judgment. Tip: give them space to make choices, even if it means they make mistakes. For example, let them decide what to wear or how to organize their schoolwork. Mistakes are excellent learning opportunities. Avoid overpraising. While appreciating your child's efforts builds confidence, overpraising can have the opposite effect. It can lead to overconfidence, making it difficult for them to cope when others excel. Overpraising can increase mental pressure, jealousy, low self-esteem, and even hatred. Tip: praise genuinely and moderately. Acknowledge their efforts while also teaching coping skills to handle setbacks gracefully. Confidence is a delicate but powerful trait. By avoiding these 6 behaviors and incorporating positive habits, you can nurture your child's belief in themselves and help them grow into resilient, self-assured individuals. Remember, small changes in how we communicate and support our children can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching Bright Future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting insights. Together, let's empower the next generation.